Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on anything you need to do to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. So I love to talk about simplified acquisition procurement, simplified acquisition procedures, one and the same. But what is that threshold of $250,000? What do I need to know? Well, a simplified acquisition procurement is a method that the government uses to reduce the work on what they need to do to actually get an offer in for doing a contract. It's all about reduction. There's a two-part to it. So the first part is simplified acquisition procurement. And then there's a threshold of $250,000. So if you have a contracting officer that does not go over the $250,000, then they're not having to do a lot of justification on why they decided to select you. Sure, there are things they have to go through, but it's not the same vigorous bidding that they have to do or that you're going to have to do. Now, if it's over $250,000, if it's over the threshold, it's still simplified acquisition procurement, but now it's over the threshold of $250,000. So there's a little bit more they have to do when it comes to actually satisfying certain requirements when it comes to selecting your company. So there's a difference. The procedure is similar, but what you need to do to actually have the $250,000 over is different than when you haven't reached over the threshold of $250,000. But if you go over that, then there are other process and procedures you have to follow. But making sure that you understand that it's a contract method that reduces a lot of the bidding if you're $250,000 and under. So there is a whole lot that goes into not having to be in a competitive bid and making sure that you can actually get these contract methods when it comes to simplified acquisition procurement. If you would like to know more about what you can do to actually win big with government cleaning contracts like micro purchases, which are under $10,000, and simplified acquisition procurement, which I just went over, which is under $250,000, then guess what? Make sure you click the link so you can register for my How to Win Big with Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. We go into what you need to do to win contracts, what agencies are looking for you when it comes to micro purchases. There's a list of agencies. There's certain key phrases you need to find in the search with Sam's, building your profile, and so much more. But if this sounds like something and you're really ready to roll up your sleeves and get into it, then make sure you click the link. We have a great time. It's live. We do a Q&A section after the presentation, and we really have fun. And also, you're going to hear some testimonies from some students that were in your position. They didn't know where to start. They were intimidated with government contracts and everything. After the masterclass, they saw that it's not that scary and it's not as challenging as you think. So make sure you click the link below so you can be just like them. You can start out with not understanding and end up with a complete understanding of the government process when it comes to proposals. If that sounds like a good fit for you, then make sure you click the link to register for How to Win Big with Government Cleaning Contracts right now. Until next time, be safe, take care, and bye-bye.